Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Oh no, they're cheating. They're running a flat pass. Meow. Whoa. Something weird is going on there. There's a fight going on there. I need to check this out. Looks like a bird got caught, but I'm not sure. Meow. Even the bird panic is likely just cats and birds. How can I be sure? Well, nothing that scares a little cat. Meow. What's going on here, huh? Is it the black one catcher bird? Meow, meow. Yeah, sorry lady. We are running zigzag. That's my black one. I hope you didn't. Ah, you're fine. You just ate. Yeah, you got a bird. You got a oh, very fluffy big bird. It's still alive. He is excited.